So Aaron made me go get my coffee because I've no idea why, but I came down here and he's cleaning. It's very odd.
Someone has to do it.
No one has, no, it's, you don't clean.
Jamie shoved stuff in underneath tool. That was all on the toolbox.
So I just came down tonight just for an update video. Clubman is nearly there. Bonnet needs to be done. A panels and quarter panels need to be rubbed down. And the roof. We're concentrating on Dave's Mini, which is this one, which is going Tahiti blue. It's a pearl metallic kind of mix. It's very shiny and sparkly. So this car is just about ready for paint. Paint will be happening Friday, so I will be hopefully here to see it getting painted. But yeah, the cars are getting there, and hopefully when this is painted, it can be pushed in the corner, left to set for a couple of days, maybe a week, let the paint settle on that, and then get full going on this Mini. And then I need to get all the bits and pieces like the arches, the door handles, the bumpers, the grille, front lip and spoiler, because they're going gunmetal. So yeah, I think that's it for now. One sec. So all this masking has to come off because the car can't be painted with the plastic on it, because the paint, or this is just a primer, builds up on it and it comes off in flakes. But with the paper, it doesn't do that, so it doesn't build up on the paper. That's why I'm removing this. The car can be sanded down, and then when it is getting ready for paint, we'll obviously mask the car up again, and it will be masked with the paper, because paint doesn't stick on the paper like it does the plastic. So, and that's not good. You don't want flaky bits, it'll ruin your paint job. So that's what I'm doing now. Finally getting rid of all this Honda crap. There's a bit more space here now for the Minis to move over, because this Mini is getting sprayed Friday, and then my Mini is going to be here. So it gives all that space for my brother to build his spray booth. What are we putting on the floor? Are you just paper on the floor, or are we going to wet it?
No, I'm going to get bored.
So we're going to board the floor apparently. Like, you change our mind like the weather. We're going to put boards on the floor, build a spray booth. My Mini will be over here, out of the way. This Mini will be in the middle here then, with plenty of room to walk around it, obviously, to spray it. So we're just cleaning up, getting rid of all this stuff. Anyone in the market for an EG6 SIR fuel tank, give me a shout. I do have a dash as well, but that's going to the bin tomorrow, so bye bye. That bonnet is going to be going in the bin as well soon. There's other few bits and pieces over here that we do need to get rid of.
Yeah, that red van.
Yeah.
Rotten.
Rot box. But yeah, it's just a dash in the way. That's going on the bin. The bonnet isn't really in the way. You can slide down behind something. That's my glass out, my Mini, on my boot lid. Needs to be prepped as well. Rot box door. The fan was so rotten the doors fell off. Yeah, so
You think you're making a joke? That's exactly what happened.
that is what happened. It was so rotten the door fell off. But we're gonna fix it. We will fix it. So yeah, update tomorrow. See you then. What's up, guys? It's a brand new day. There's plenty to do. So we're just down here tonight to get rid of all the rubbish that my brother actually cleaned, and he done a decent job. I'll show you the garage now in a minute, but I'm just going to bag everything because I'm doing a dump run tomorrow. So we needed everything out of the garage, so we had all the room possible to spray the blue Mini. So my brother's going to make like a spray booth, so he's going to stick some wood up and plastic wrap the whole room so it's clean. We're going to board the floor, obviously wet it as well, because it needs to be wet to stop dust, and it needs to be a good spray job. So I'm going to crack on and get all this stuff done. Obviously it's a bit of cleaning, but I'll do 10-second time lapse. It'll probably take me an hour, but yeah guys, I'm going to crack on with this, get it done, and yeah, let's get it done. So let's get rid of this mess. Right guys, while I'm doing that, let's take a minute to be serious here. Who do you want to see on the channel more? What car do you want to see on the channel more? Comment below, let me know. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. Keep up to date with the builds that we're doing. So do you want to see more of Aaron with his welding skills and his Dawson? Or do you want to see more of Reaper? Or do you want to see more of John? Let me know below and we'll get them on the channel, and hopefully we'll get more builds going and we'll have more fun in the meantime. So yeah, just let me know. Comment below, subscribe, like, comment, let me know. Now guys, with all that rubbish out of the way now, there's plenty of room in here now to move a few bits back, move the van back and make more room in the garage. I am going to put all this stuff away now as well, but something came in the post for the K20, a new rocker cover gasket with the other seals, so I'm going to whip that off now and do the seal. Also, solenoid gaskets came, they'll be getting changed before the engine goes in as well. So let's whip this cover off and get the new seal on. So this gasket kit I got from Amazon, but it's a Honda product, so it's going to fit straight on perfect. I got everything with it. It comes with these gaskets, the rubber ones, this gasket, and then the bits for bolting on the rocker cover to the engine. So let's get this done. Yeah, they were a bit of a nightmare to get out, but they're out, no damage. Looked like I went hell for leather, but I didn't. No damage to the lips at all. So I'm going to stick the new ones in and the new gasket all the way around and stick it back on the engine. Now guys, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Obviously I didn't hammer them on fully with the hammer. I put a bit of cloth over them and banged them down a bit. And new seal on, easy peasy. Let's get it back on this K20. Yeah, it's getting there. So that's it for the K20 for now. Peace out. Say hello to Reaper. Dawson again, as usual. Are you messing? Yeah, Reaper just said this is rad and I didn't get him. He's yeah, he's leaning on the radio. How did I not get that? This is rad. This is rad. Tunes. What's this? Oh Lord. This is what happens when Aaron isn't here. Nothing! On my head. Oh man. That's what they put your head. that's some difference. It makes the garage look so much bigger now. So we're going to do a second coat of white, so it'll be a bit brighter now. So that heat lamp is heating that side, keep that dry, and then Aaron's going to do that bit because I've done most of it. So we have a white wall, kinda. It's better than it was. So yeah. It'll do for now. So we're gonna concentrate and we are going to rub this car down with, what's that called?
Scotch.
With Scotch. We're gonna rub the car down with Scotch and then we're gonna bring it in. I couldn't remember what it was called. Then we're going to bring it in and we're going to set up the spray boot right here where the wall is white and all the way around down by this dosser and down past my lovely Mini. What's up everyone, down here in the garage I brought Munchkin #1, so she is here. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. So we're just down here today just to get rid of all the rubbish because you can see in the background there, spray boot is nearly ready to go. My brother has these, big pole on the floor, he has these cardboard mats that are going to go on the floor. So we're going to hoover again, put them on the floor, roll the Mini into the middle of it and spray the Mini tonight. So yeah, I'm going to do a dump run, get rid of all this rubbish out of the way. So now the garage is absolutely empty. So yeah, peace out. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Little cutie. So that's the stream filled up with the rubbish. I'm going to dump that now and we will be back down tonight. That Mini is getting painted blue and assembly soon. Then it takes a few days for that to cure, the paint to cure. And then we'll obviously move it over out of the way. And then my Mini can get painted. And then that needs to be moved out of the way because the paint that's getting painted, it's not a 2-pack paint. It's not a one-stage paint. It's primer, base and clear. So it's a proper paint job. It's not a cheap paint job. The paint isn't cheap. The lacquer isn't cheap because it comes in a kit. We also ran our own airlines all the way around. We have a water trap which I need to go and get a fitting on this side. I need to go and get that fitting right now so we can paint tonight. It's for the other airline to connect into, and then the other end connects onto the gun. So if you're a painter or you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about, what I need to get. So I'm going to head off and dump that rubbish, get the fitting, head home, get changed, down here, paint the car. See you then. Don't mind the noise, Aaron's just going around putting stopper where there's little tiny imperfections on the Mini just so we can get it smooth perfect finish. So you can see all the little blemishes around the car. That's all going to be done with this stopper. It's like a quick filler, and then it lightly sand it and it'll be perfect. Right, we're going to rub all this shit off, and then I'm going to leave the video here, and we'll pick up tomorrow with painting the car, obviously tonight. So yeah, peace out, see you in the next one. He's going to be working hard tonight, I'm going home early. So yeah, enjoy the quick time lapse of rubbing the car down and prepping it. Yeah guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, the bell notifications, keep up to date with the build. And yeah, see you in the next one. We're just going to horse this thing over tonight and get it painted, and you'll see the results in the next video. So peace out.